Hello mga kabayan, kumusta po? I hope all is well. So for today's video, papakita ko po sa inyo on how to set up scheduled FAMI mutual fund payment in Metrobank online. So through this process, hindi na po hassle sa inyo papunta sa bangko and magbayad ng FAMI mutual fund over the counter. So pwede niyo po ma-set up yung inyong payment through Metrobank online. Excited na ba kayo? Let's start! So, the first step is to log into your Metrobank online account. So, lagay niyo po yung onlinebanking.metrobank.com.ph. Ito po yung lalabas. Click niyo lang yung OK. And so, X nyo lang to. Close nyo lang. Then, put your username and password here. So, ito po yung dashboard ng Metrobank Online Banking. And from here, you just have to select Pay Bills. Nandito po siya sa right side. Click po natin yan. Then, you have to enter the details of your investment. You have to put the amount that you need to pay and select the biller in drop-down options. So, for example, mag-invest po tayo ng 5,000 per month. Then, select lang po yung biller using yung source. And here, you can choose later. Then, click nyo po yung recurring. Yan. So, may option po dito kung gusto nyo po magbayad daily, monthly, yan, weekly, 3 months, or every 6 months. Then, click nyo po yung starting date. So, for example, we want to pay monthly. Then, starting date will be next month, September 25, every 8 a.m. Or let's say 9. Yan. Click nyo po yung done. And here, you have to put the number of occurrences. So, maximum po ng 36 occurrences only. So, kung 36 yan, it's like 36 divided by 12, it's like 3 years. So, kung gusto nyo lang po ng 1 year, you have to put 12 kasi monthly yung nilagay natin doon. So, it will end on August 25, 2022. Then, you can put some notes here. Yan. Then, pag nalagay nyo na po yung lahat ng details, click nyo lang po yung next. Ito naman sa biller, nandyan po yung FAMI. So, check natin. Yan. Click nyo lang po yung sa baba. C, F. And FAMI Dollar Bond Fund, FAMI Balanced Fund, Equity Fund, Consumer Fund, Fixed Income. Yan. So, depende po sa pinili nyong account. So, SALEF, SALFIF, SALFIN. Yan. So, after niya, napili nyo, click nyo lang po yung next. So, ayan. After you click the next button, ito po yung lalabas. So, you have to review and confirm your transaction. So, ito po yung summary ng inyong transaction. Nakalagay dito yung amount na gusto nyong bayaran and kung anong klaseng FAMI mutual fund meron kayo and nakalagay din yung account number nyo doon using your Metrobank account number. Then, nakalagay doon on September 25, 2021 at 9 a.m. Repeats every month until Thursday, August 25, 2022. So, yun po yung nilagay natin na monthly at 9 a.m. Then, click nyo lang po yung continue. And then here, meron pong verification. So, to proceed with the transaction, you make sure that you have to enter all the verification code within 5 minutes of receiving them. So you have to put your passcode and then magsisend din yung Metrobank ng 6-digit verification code to your registered mobile number. Ilalagay nyo po dyan. And take note po na scheduled bills payment can only be set up in the browser version of Metrobank Online. So, kapag ginamit nyo po yung mobile banking, wala po doon ang scheduled payment. So, you have to really use the browser version of online banking. Ayan, so na po yung lalabas sa inyong browser. Then, makaka-receive po kayo ng message sa inyong mobile number saying na you have successfully scheduled a bills payment. If you didn't initiate this activity, call our contact center number. Thank you. So, ayan. Then, click nyo lang po yung done. So, basically, so, makikita niyo po sa right side ng ating dashboard ang pending transaction. Ayan. So, on September 25, 2021, meron tayong payment na 5,000 sa ating FAMI Mutual Fund. So, kung nagustuhan niyo po yung mga videos na ganito, kindly like and subscribe in our YouTube channel. Shout out po sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa Happy Life Kabayan channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!